In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a booking page in Google Calendar 2026. If you already use Google Calendar's booking pages to let people schedule time with you, sharing the right link is key. I'll walk you through 2 quick ways to grab that link so you can paste it anywhere. Email, chat, your website, or social posts. Start by opening Google Calendar and make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Once you're on the main calendar view, look to the left-hand side. In the sidebar, find the section labeled Booking Pages. This is where all of your existing booking pages are listed so you can manage or share them. Locate the booking page or meeting appointment you want to share. Hover your mouse over that entry to reveal extra controls. You should see a small link icon appear. This is the fastest sharing method. Click the link icon. Google Calendar will copy the public booking page URL directly to your clipboard. You'll usually see a brief confirmation that the link was copied. From here, you can paste it immediately into an email, a message, or anywhere else you want people to access your availability. That's it. Your shareable booking page link is ready to go. There's also another way to share the same booking page, which is helpful if you prefer using the menu. Staying on the same booking page entry, look for the 3 vertical dots to the right. This is the More Actions menu. Click those 3 dots to open the menu, then choose the sharing option listed there. A small panel will appear with options related to your booking page. Click Copy Link. Just like before, the public link is copied to your clipboard and is ready for pasting. When you're finished, click Done to close the panel. A few quick tips to make this smoother. After copying, consider pasting the link into your browser to test it. You should see your public booking page with your available times. If you don't see booking pages in the sidebar, make sure you're using the account that owns the schedule and that your booking page has been set up. If the link icon doesn't appear when you hover, try the 3 dots menu method. And remember, any changes you make to your availability in Google Calendar will automatically reflect on this public booking page, so you don't need to resend the link every time you adjust your schedule.